अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। In this chapter, electronic commerce and e-governance, today we will see this question: what is encryption and what are the types of encryption? What is encryption and what are the types of encryption? See, what is encryption? It is process of coding the text so that no one can identify what is written. Mostly it is used for confidential data, very sensitive data. And what is the meaning of decryption? It is the process of decoding the text. It is exactly opposite of encryption. In simple, a security method used to protect data. What is encryption? All the encryption decryption process is a security method used to protect data from unauthorized access, from hackers, from destructive mind people. You can protect your data or you can protect your electronic commerce website with the help of this encryption or cryptography. See the applications, live application of electronic commerce. First is files on computers. First is it is used to save or protect files on computer. Second, data being passed through the internet. Your data which is passed through the internet. Here encryption decryption technology is used, and in common ATM machines also. Here also it's very important to encrypt your data. It is very much sensitive data. Next, in electronic e-commerce website, it is used. Facebook, to encrypt Facebook password, it is used. To encrypt WhatsApp, means no one can look your confidential data. In WhatsApp it is used. In Facebook encryption is used. This is called as Facebook encryption, WhatsApp encryption and Facebook password. These are some application of encryption decryption. See, file transfer means when we transfer file from one computer to another computer. In offices it is very much confidential. Means, for example, boss is sending, this is PC of boss. If he is sending files to his manager, his administrator, it is very confidential. It should not be seen by anyone, any employee other than this authorized person. At that time this encryption decryption is used. We see ATM machine, it is very sensitive data. Here it is used. In WhatsApp, you always see this message on your WhatsApp. Messages you send to these groups are now secured with end-to-end encryption, which means WhatsApp and third parties can't read them. See, end-to-end encrypted. Now what is encryption? See in detail. It is the method by which information is converted into secret code. Encryption is the method by which information is converted into secret code. What it does, it hides the information's true meaning. The science of encrypting and decrypting, see, it is important. The science of encrypting and decrypting information is called cryptography. The science of encrypting and decrypting information is called as cryptography. What is cryptography? Your simple plain text which is very confidential. It is encrypted, means it is coded, and then it is converted into, again it is called converted into ciphertext. converted into ciphertext. This is encryption. Plain text into coding text or ciphertext encrypted, it is called as ciphertext. Some basic terminology say, some simple first, plain text means original message. Plain text, original message. Ciphertext, coded message, which can't be understood by anyone. Cipher, it is algorithm for transforming plain text to ciphertext. Key, information used in cipher known only to sender receiver. This key is only known to the sender and receiver only. Encipher or encrypt, converting plain text to ciphertext. Decipher, decrypt, recovering ciphertext from plain text. Cryptography, study of encryption principles, methods. Cryptanalysis, code breaking, study of principal methods of deciphering ciphertext without knowing key. If you don't know key or you forget key, then this cryptanalysis, code breaking is used. Cryptography, field of cryptology, field of both cryptography and cryptanalysis is called as cryptology. These are some basic terms in this cryptography and encryption. Now in computing, unencrypted data is also known as plain text and encrypted data is called ciphertext. The formulas used to encode and decode messages are called encryption. Formulas used to encode and decode messages are called encryption. Now see symmetric key encryption. A secret code is applied to the text of a message to change the content in a particular way. A secret key, it is a secret key. Confidential key is applied to text of a message to change the content in a particular way. Uses the same keys for both encryption of plain text and decryption of ciphertext. The keys may be identical or there may be a simple transformation to go between the two keys. Both parties have access to the secret key. Both parties have access to the secret key, which is one of the main drawbacks of the symmetric key encryption in comparison to asymmetric key encryption. What is the drawback? Both parties have access to secret key, which is one of the main drawbacks of symmetric key encryption in comparison to asymmetric key encryption. What is asymmetric key encryption? It is also known as public private key or public key encryption. It uses key pairs for encrypting or decrypting the data. Public key is used to encrypt the data and private key is used to decrypt the data. What is the use of public key? It is used to encrypt the data, code the data. Private key, decipher the data. Any message that encrypted by using the private key can only be decrypted by using the matching public key. Any message that's encrypted by using the private key can only be decrypted by using the matching public key. It has ability to share secret data without sharing the same encryption key. It has ability to share secret data, confidential data, sensitive data without sharing the same encryption key. What is the basic difference between symmetric and asymmetric encryption? These two types of encryption is that symmetric encryption uses one key. It is very important. Symmetric key encryption uses one key for both encryption and decryption, and the asymmetric encryption uses public key for encryption and private key for decryption. Now question arises, which one is better, symmetric or asymmetric? Now see, although symmetric encryption is fast, it is not safe as asymmetric encryption. Means asymmetric key is more safe than symmetric encryption. Because of this, someone could steal the key while you are using symmetric encryption and decode the message, but because of its speed it is commonly used for e-commerce transaction, which is used for mostly, it is not secure but it is fast, so mostly symmetric encryption used for e-commerce transaction. An asymmetric key encryption requires far more computation to both encrypt and decrypt the content of the message, so the process takes longer. It has the ability to share the data without sharing the same encryption key. So today we see what is the encryption and what are the types of encryption. Thank you.